Welcome back to the life of a FIFO family. Okay.
What's up, gang? So today, Joanna and I, we are going to Paddy's Falls. Right now, we're just cutting up some fruit. Stay nice and hydrated.
Hydrated.
Wait, who was that? Is that Kim Kardashian? Addison Ray. Hey, Addison, stay hydrated.
Okay, joke's over.
Okay, joke's over. So yeah, Joanna got us some snacks, which is fruit, which is good. And yeah, are you excited to go to Paddy's Falls for your first time?
I am very excited.
This girl has grown up in this area her whole life, and I've probably seen more stuff than she has.
Around the Riverina.
In the Riverina.
Sure, because we did more of our travels outside of the Riverina.
Oh, sorry about it.
From the Riverina, so why would we want to travel within our own home, you know?
Well, I lived here for 5 years and I travelled on my own.
Yeah, 5 years is nothing compared to 20. So
You're 20? It's okay. You don't want us to know about you, girl. Okay, so we also have mangoes here. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Ooh. Here, let the camera eat a watermelon. The camera, a water. Oh, you guys like that? We'll see you when we're in the car. Guys, here's Joanna's music. She likes the musicals.
I like the story.
And I'm low-key getting into it sometimes myself.
Turn left onto Vincent Road.
Here we are, on our way. And after this, after Paddy's Falls, we're going to the gym on New Year's Eve.
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto Kima Avenue.
We want to be running into 2026 fit, you know? Don't we, Joanna? Yeah, well, yeah. I'm gonna go do a good fitness cardio circuit with Noah and Joanna, I think. If she doesn't cat out, because someone's more excited to see fireworks for New Year's. But yeah.
That's my personal prediction.
Okay. We'll see you at Paddy's Falls. Guys, we just got into Tombarumba. Now we're like 15 minutes away from Paddy's Falls, and it's not looking good, bruv. It's starting to rain a little bit, and I've just checked the weather, and it says there's meant to be thunderstorms in the area that we're going to. And yeah, so
it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good.
Joanna's trying to keep the hopes high, but to be honest, we can still swim in the rain. Just not the lightning. But yeah, be good. Yeah. So we'll see what happens when we get there, hey? Goodbye.
Falls Road.
Here we are, guys.
Oh, they're turning too, so we're going to suffer together.
Signs up here. These guys are also going in Paddy's Falls. Snowy valleys. Okay, let's go.
In 1.8 kilometers, the destination is on your left, Paddy's River
Can you
Falls.
tell your Indian mate to shut up? I'm trying to talk. So we're here now. Joanna's first time driving down this road. What are you thinking so far right now, baby?
I'm just excited to see it.
It's pretty beautiful.
Oh, do people actually live here too? That's pretty cool.
Driving down. Sharp turn coming up. Chucking a Yui.
Oh yeah, I see the parking.
Car park's down there. These burnt down trees from that tough year in 2020.
Oh, you can exit out that. Oh no, you have to come back this way.
Yeah. Oh, we got a couple people here. There's the toilet on the left. Here's the car park. Okay.
Should I just park?
Yep. Just park next to this car. Let's go. Look at that. You can just see from those hills that this is going to be very nice. Okay, let's chuck a mic on Joanna and let's listen to her thoughts.
I don't really think we should take this.
Take off.
It's falling off. Okay, let's go.
So what are you thinking right now?
I'm just a little nervous because it's thundering.
You don't have to talk to me, you can talk to the mic. Because it's connected to the mic.
So I can't look at you when I talk to you?
No, you can't.
So then why are you saying that to me? Obviously I'm going to look at you when I'm talking to you.
Here we go, guys. Just walking down now.
Maybe I should be carrying the camera and you should be carrying both bags.
Okay, yeah. Did I lock the car?
My hair. I don't know. Oh, this guy. No reassurance from him. Guys. Let's look at the view. Oh, it's wet. Alright, we're heading down the stairs now.
Some thunder.
I know, I'm scared. And it's raining and I'm freezing.
Hey, there's people in there already, so if they can go in it, I'm sure we can.
Yeah, but they look like they're cold.
I guess we have to carry.
Oh, I'm so cold. I'm fully decked out in summer gear and it's very much not summer weather right now. So, just warm up with my hair. Why were we... Oh. So, yeah. Oh, the steps. Ooh. Oh my god, I thought I missed a step. Coming back up is gonna be fun.
Yep.
It's literally just...
At least it's still a bit humid. There's some humidity.
Yeah, I know, there's a little bit.
It's like Silent Walk.
Uh-oh. Wait, I gotta use this hand to get down.
Nothing will beat up or Waterfall.
Yeah. Except the bugs in that waterfall were kind of terrifying. Anywho, still walking, bit of a trek, and I'm a little bit nervous. Ooh, oh, guys, this scared the crap out of me. I thought I literally was just...
Here we are, everyone. This is the Paddy's Falls. Isn't it just beautiful? It's a bit rainy. You probably can't see it, but I'll show you the water down there. It's getting some rain on it. Lucky it's a bit humid, so here's Joanna. Beautiful Joanna. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, you probably can't hear her, but she said hi. Nothing. Here's our snacks. This is our snacks in here. Towels in there. The walking path to get to the thing. And that's it. Isn't this beautiful? Woo! New South Wales, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, she nearly just fell. Right. Say cheese. That's the thumbnail. Yeah.
I just want to stay till those, look, the blue skies are coming in.
So we just went in for like a quick dip just then. But it was starting to get some lightning around, so we decided to hop out for a second and
wait it out.
Yeah, we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna wait it out and hope to
get some blue skies.
Get some blue skies.
That's what we got.
Like her blue eyes.
Sexy eyes, move across the floor, got me wanting more. Sexy eyes, sexy eyes.
Holy smokes!
Getting down with you, I want to. Sexy eyes. Come on.
Gonna be working all that fat off that I got from the Christmas break tonight before the new year. Gonna be running it all off, skiing it all off, and rowing it all off. Can't wait for that. So what do you think of the area?
I love it. It's so nice.
It's better than Waterfall?
No, I wouldn't say better. I wouldn't really compare them, to be honest.
Yeah, because they're in different settings. You know, in Samoa, it's a tropical area. The weather is similar at the moment.
Yeah. I feel like I've never experienced a waterfall where it's sunny, blue skies, hot.
I thought you went to Samoa.
That wasn't... It was overcast as well.
We thought that this guy was a ranger and he was going to come tell us to get out of the water. But I think he was going to tell us to get out of the water. Because it isn't that safe. The lightning, we saw lightning like just around the corner. So yeah, but look how beautiful this is. Look at the waterfall just flow on down through there. You know, it starts from up here. Okay guys, I decided I'm going to actually crawl through under the waterfall and go around there just for a cool shot. I feel like I haven't done anything spontaneous in a while, so let's trot. Hey guys, so yous are coming with me under here. Here we are guys, made it across. That's Joanna and I don't know what she's trying to say to me. Oh, she's talking about the sky. Okay, made it back. Yeah, I will. Now the skies are coming blue. Woo! Joanna's going down. Patience is a virtue. See, you just wait for the sun to come and it comes. Alright, I'm gonna go down for another dip. Let's get it. It is now snack time. We just finished having our swim. Getting all dried up now. And Joanna's eating. We're eating mangoes.
And blackberry.
And blackberry. Yummy, yummy.
Hello there.
Good?
Really good.
Amazing.
Okay guys, we're done. We just sat down and ate some mangoes, blackberries and watermelon. We finished that off. We're getting a little bit cold now and Jacob's nose is a bit sniffly. So we decided we'll head off now. But it actually worked out. Like it started lightning and thundering. We got out, had a little bit of something to eat, and then all of a sudden blue skies came out. So we were like, yeah, let's hop back in, make the most of it, take our photos.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off.
Now the blue skies aren't so blue anymore. Maybe a little bit over there, but the rest is clouds. So yeah, I think it's our time, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I would love to come back here again, especially when it's like boiling hot, sun's out. Get my tan up, get rid of my white girl skin. But yeah, how'd you enjoy the trip? Was it worth the drive?
Oh yeah, I didn't have to drive.
I think it was worth the drive, definitely. But yeah, so long Waterfall. I'll see you again soon, I'm sure. I'm very sure. Alright everybody, we're on the road. Jacob's decided he wants to drive, but only until Tumbarumba, so we can get some pee plates for him. But I got fully dressed and now I'm comfortable and cold. It's actually really cold, so we got the heater on. Strange. Anyways, so yeah, more to come throughout the day.
Wait for this, please. Hey guys, now we're going into the shop, into the local IGA to go look for tea plates and maybe a coffee for Joanna. So yeah.
There's no freaking cafes in this place.
There's cafes, but they're not open because it's New Year's Eve. Okay, I'm gonna go look for P plates. I feel like they'd be over this way. Joanna wants fish and chips. I'm alright, thanks. I don't know where the P plates would be. Where would the P plates be, guys? Not sure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you know where any P plates would be?
Huh?
P plates? For your car? P plates?
Oh. You know, go to the middle one.
Middle one?
Oh yeah, I'm coming from you. Follow me.
Yeah.
You lost your P plate?
Pardon?
I said you lost your P plate.
Yeah, I lost my P plate, yeah.
Like what plate?
Green. Please.
Yeah, lucky here.
Here? Thank you. Oh, sorry. I'm blind. Sorry. Thank you. Well, here's the P plates. Finally, someone who sells green P plates. I don't know why so many petrol stations don't sell this. We had to come to a local IGA to find some P plates. I got what I wanted so far. Joanna got what she wanted, which is, what did you get?
I got a lunchbox, which is 2 pieces of chicken and chips.
Ooh, chicken and chips.
Yep.
Yummy, yummy. Finally got my P plates. Well, looks like I'm driving now. Okay.
Do you want any snacks? So
Nah.
you can
Sure. Some good.
actually grab a coffee.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay. See you in a bit. Oh, looks like we just made it out of the waterfall in time. Now it's pouring down like crazy. Huh?
Unlock the car.
Okay. Wait, hold. Take this. What? Use Joanna's food. Yum.
Chicken's a little bit dry.
Those chips are nice though.
Chips are good.
Got my P plates on. They're magnet ones, so I hope they don't slip off because it's a bit slippery out there. But yeah. Keen for this workout. Let's go.
He keeps talking about it. But
But what?
I just don't want to hear about it.
Oh, that's tough. You watch the videos, bud? Watching this right now, I just had to let you know that you are beautiful in your own ways. Never give up. Pursue your dreams. Carry on with your life. You can do this. And that's all I say.
Well, I like this song.
I hate this song.
What? She's too picky.
You love me unconditionally.
Oh my god. This guy's just picking songs that he can feel himself to.
Okay.
Oh, I like that song. Oh, he skips all the songs I like. I do like this one.
Because I'm in love with you, money follow you, banana follow you, paparazzi follow you. Yeah, I don't wanna be. Well, you know they used to call me. They used to call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo.
You wish.
Hey, I'd rather be called Messi than Cristiano Ronaldo, okay?
You can say that.
Ronaldo is not the GOAT.
Ready?
Man, I feel cold right now.
This is you.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. The power is so supplying, it's electrifying.
You're too shy to meditate my direction.
I feel it, man. I feel it. I better shape up. I gotta shape up because you need a man. And my heart is satisfied. I better shape up. Cause I
You are the one I want.
Made it home, guys. Just cleaning out the car, chucking my coffee out. Yeah. Oof, got no pockets. So. But yeah, now we're just gonna go have a shower. And after we have a shower, well, I'm gonna have a shower. I don't know about Joanna. She doesn't really shower, but yeah, gonna get a shower and then have a nap and then go to the gym. Let's get it.
What an amazing view.
That's the oh yeah, you can. Oh, that's scary. I don't know if you guys can see that. Guys, Joanna is not happy. She really wanted to see these fireworks go. And yeah, fair enough. We found a better spot, guys.